gbogbo fídíò yẹn náà la rí bó ṣe ń láwọ́ ọmọ very disgusting. Ọlọ́run o ó dá a believe ẹ̀ àti fi ọdún mẹ́fà àti fi wò àti gbé yẹ̀wò àti wélẹ̀ àti mìíwò àti gbogbo ẹ̀ àgbàgbọ́ náà ni àgbàgbọ́ ò bá wọn ẹ̀ kí o lọ gbé interview bàbá láti Amẹ́ríkà àgbàgbọ́. Baba Jesha, the truth is that most people did not believe you.
Ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa, arábìnrin yìí ó ti jáde fún Bíọ́lá Adébáyọ̀ àti bàbá Ìjẹ̀ṣà o. Ó ní wípé ó ní gbogbo irọ́ tí òun pẹ̀lú Bíọ́lá Adébáyọ̀ ìyẹn bàbá Ìjẹ̀ṣà, ó ní gbogbo irọ́ tí wọ́n kúkú, ó ní kò mú àwọn o, ó ní àwọn ò bìlíìfù rẹ̀ rárá. Ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa, kí ló tún ṣẹlẹ̀ báyìí? Ṣé wọ́n tún máa dráàgì Bíọ́lá Adébáyọ̀ pẹ̀lú bàbá Ìjẹ̀ṣà ni? Ẹ jẹ́ ká gbọ́ nǹkan tí ó ṣẹlẹ̀.
Like 70% of Nigerians know that you are lying. Most importantly, you were convicted and sentenced by a judge. You cannot convince us now. It is not possible. We saw everything. You have been in the movie industry for so long to know that, okay, this is a setup. For you to start coming out and saying that, oh, they set you up, that one, no, it's not working. This is not what you're supposed to be doing. You're not supposed to be granting one interview or something and be trying to convince the whole world that they won't paro when. Instead of you coming out trying to convince all of us that won't paro when, all these things, and calling names, mentioning the Abojo, mentioning this one. You don't need all that. Instead of you to do all that, just go. No, begin by posting videos on your TikTok or social media. Let them see that, okay, you are giving your life to Christ and be preaching the gospel. Do it for this whole year. The next year, 2027, you cannot come out as a repentant man. You can even be wearing garments. It's too late for you to be convincing us. So we are not convinced. And even if we are convinced, what are we supposed to do for you now? Go and rebrand yourself. Come back as a born again, pastorship, whatever. Just come back as something that will convince Nigerians. And I know that it's religion. Don't make religion. What be anybody? I'm not forgive Google pastor. Don't my erase book way. Oh, joy poverty effect bomo. Because taba rojile data. Could send only arrest. Could send you the born again. All things are past. This is new me. I'm born again. You want to go down Nigerians man feni. Could send only arrest.